Hey, this is Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist. And the question I got asked is this: does a Google voice typing also include readback? And I'm going to show you what you can and can't do in this video. But before I do, please hit that subscribe and notify button because I create these videos specifically for you. So Google Chrome or Google Docs has a feature called voice typing. And you right here, Tools, Voice Typing. And you click on that, and it brings up this box. So let me test this. And I put right here some phrases for punctuation so I can use those during this, this experiment with the voice typing. Put my cursor right here. I'm going to click on Voice Typing. Hi, this is Teddy Burris. Period. I'm testing voice typing in Google Docs to see how it works. New paragraph. If I like how it works, I may use it more often. New line. Who knows? Maybe it could be an easy way for me to create content without having to type and without having to have all the grammatical errors I create and the typo issues. New paragraph. Who knows? I may be onto something I really like to use. We'll see. Now I clicked on the red microphone to stop recording. Now I forgot to put, end sentence or period here. So interesting. It works pretty decently. I don't see any. I do see one typo here I got to get rid of. I got extra the in there, and I don't have a period at the end of here. And we'll see, I guess that's the right word, we will see. I may be on to something. That's good. It works. If I like how it works, I may use it more often. I didn't get a double S in Burris. So there's my text that I created. It worked okay. So the question is, will it automatically read it back? And the answer is no. You have to use a screen reader to do that, and Google doesn't have one. They recommend looking at like Chromevox, NVDA, JAWS, VoiceOver, some of these options, and then you have to enable accessibility settings to turn on the screen reader, and then you can use the screen reader apps to read your content that you've either typed or use voice typing to put into your document or your spreadsheet or your slide or whatever. But Google Docs does not have screen reader support native. Again, they rely on you using other applications that may be able to help you in this context. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful.